Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Maccabe's Cakes here. How are you guys doing today? You guys, it's another tutorial video. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I made this delicious refreshing homemade tiger nut drink without adding any preservatives to it. So I want you all to relax here and watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments, share the video. Let me know what you think about this particular video. Enjoy the video, guys. All right, I used this dried tiger nut for this particular video. I went to my local market to get it. I had to show you guys because after I had soaked the tiger nuts into the water, it was not looking like the fresh one at the end of the day. Hence me, show you guys what the you know show you guys that I used the dried tiger nuts for this particular recipe. I hope you understand. I also got some coconuts for the recipe as well. Yes, my tiger nuts, you can see it's looking like the fresh one. That's why I showed you guys what the dried one is looking like, because that's what I used. I soaked it for 2 days, which is 48 hours, and it's looking all like, it's, let me just say, it got swollen, right, and looking so big, looking like the fresh tiger nuts. So here's the dates. I also soaked my dates for, I think, for 24 hours, and I'm using pineapple for this recipe and coconuts. You can also use bananas. I wanted to use bananas, but I ate the bananas. So yes, me right now trying to blend all the ingredients together. I am adding my tiger nuts, the coconuts, and pineapples as well. So if you have bananas, why not? You can go ahead and use it.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
So I forgot to mention something here. The essence of soaking your tiger nuts, is for you to get soft, right? It's for you to get soft, because if you soak it, if you just get the tiger nut from the market and you use it in your blender like that, it might actually spoil your blender. This is what I think, you guys, you understand? So this is my own opinion. It might spoil your blender. So the right thing to do is, or the essence of this is just to make the tiger nut soft. For the dried one takes longer time to soft compared, no, sorry, you guys, yeah, the dried one takes longer time to get soft, but the fresh ones, within, let's just say, 12 hours or less than 12 hours, you're good to go. So I'm adding ginger for this my tiger nuts, and yeah, the pineapple, you guys already know now, and I'm going to blend everything together. As you can see in the blend, everything is blending so well, so fast. That's because I soaked it for complete 48 hours. So yeah, I am here trying to extract the juice from the shaft of the coconut.
Remembering the holiday party.
So at this point, my blender has crushed all the tiger nuts, and this is the shaft here. You guys, I want to extract the juice from the shaft, because you guys, there's a lot of juice from this particular shaft, and the amount of juice that came out, can you see what is coming out from this shaft? So just in case you're going to use sieve, please don't dispose the shaft, because it has a lot of juice. The amount that came out from this shaft alone, like, you guys, I was so surprised. I'm like, so imagine me disposing the shaft of the tiger nuts. Like, does it mean that I would have just wasted all my juice? See the way the shaft is so dry. That's because I really took my time to extract all the juice from the shaft. So if you're doing your tiger nut, please, it requires lots of patience. You don't need to rush. See how dried my shaft is. There's no juice coming out. This is the juice I got from all the shafts. You guys, can you guys imagine? Plenty juice. So I cannot believe it. Like, it got me so amazed. Like a bowl of juice from the shaft. So I had to, pour it into the tiger nut, more like, mixing everything together. Yes. And I gave it a mix. And you guys, of course, I had to, strain it again because I still feel like, there might still be some chaff, inside the first pot where I was, pouring the juice, from the first time. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying.
We had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden.
While I was trying to strain out the juice, unfortunately, you guys, this happened.
Hey.
So this is what happened behind the scene. You guys, a lot really happens behind the scenes while we're trying to create content. Like really, really a lot. But we don't get to show you guys, But while I was training, the thing just mistakenly slipped off from my hand. So I had to get another cheesecloth. Here, that's the name of the material, cheesecloth. Did I use the sieve and you use the cheesecloth? But if you want to use only the sieve, please make sure that you use cheesecloth, because with cheesecloth, it will help to strain out the juice properly. Okay. So I'm doing this again, and I have to be careful so that it will not slip off my hands one more time.
Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so with you. Following the leader down 8th Street to get what we can. Crawl up the walls, make a few calls to the man.
Can you guys see the extra shaft that came out from the final straining? Like, you guys, can you see how it's a lot? So that's why you have to strain this thing like 2 or 3 times, so that as you're taking your tiger nut juice, you'll not be feeling shaft, while drinking it. So guys, at this point, this is a plain, plain drink. There's nothing inside. So plain and so beautiful. Please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please give this video a massive thumbs up right now. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, drop your comments, let me know what you think about this particular video. So I had to, put everything inside an empty bottle and then store it inside the freezer. Tiger nut can last for 3 months, 4 months. It can last for a very longer time. That's if you have constant power. But tiger nut doesn't waste time to go bad. That's one thing with tiger nut. It doesn't really waste time to go bad. If you're not really careful, it will spoil within 2 hours. So the moment you're done, please, it's very important to transfer it to a bottle and then inside the freezer immediately. Don't leave it on the table or on your kitchen. No, it will go bad. So guys, this is the tiger nut here, and it's so lovely. No preservatives. You can use it to start this as a business, as a side hustle. And yeah, guys, we come to the end of the video. Of course, you guys, I had to taste my tiger nut because I just had to. Like, why not? Like, why not, guys? Can you check out this tiger nut? So I had to get some blocks and enjoy my tiger nut, you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Kisses and bye, guys.
Promising the